Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we are delving into the QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 29th of July, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of July, 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.07. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, recording a gain of 0.11%. This results in an average return of 0.3% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the lower part of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically represents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $460.08 is breached, it would initially signal a slower rate of ascent and could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 12.03% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 11.11% and 24.31%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 35.4% over the next year, with a possible return between 29.56% and 48.82%. This would result in a price range of $601.03 to $690.38 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF includes the headline. The QQQ ETF price ended at $463.90 on Monday, after gaining a little over 0.1%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 29th of July, 2024, the QQQ ETF price rose from $462.97 to $463.90. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.36%, moving from a low of $461.62 to a high of $467.91. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in a decrease of 6.5% during this period. The trading volume fell by 12 million shares on the last day, with a total of 28 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $12.8 billion. It is important to note that a decline in trading volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price stands 7.87%, or $39.62, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. On July 26, 2024, the Nasdaq 100 ETF, QQQ, experienced a 1% gain following a challenging period marked by what analysts are calling AI fatigue. This uptick comes after a downturn triggered by Alphabet Inc.'s earnings report, which revealed increased capital expenses that weighed on the tech sector. As investors seek opportunities, QQQ remains a solid choice for those looking for low-cost exposure to top tech companies. Historically, an investment of $10,000 in QQQ a decade ago would now exceed $54,000, underscoring the fund's strong performance over the long term. Despite some market rotation towards sectors like real estate, QQQ continues to attract attention. Its diverse holdings include giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia, which are often top assets in growth-focused funds. As tech stocks face added pressure, QQQ stands out as a no-brainer growth ETF, offering significant exposure to e-commerce, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing, among other thriving markets. Given these dynamics, investors are urged to consider QQQ as a strategic addition to their portfolios, especially in light of recent market volatility. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, potentially impacting near-term developments. The QQQ ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will likely be resistance at $469.53 and $480.96. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, and thus far it has declined by 7.77%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 61 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 171 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at 463.38 cents. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $6.30 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.36%. During the past week, the ETF exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate that expectations for the company's future are subdued or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $479.49. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a purchase. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $463.38. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment for this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good buy? Currently, the QQQ ETF presents several concerning signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that QQQ will likely experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading session, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 30th of July, we expect QQQ to open higher by approximately 575 hundredths of a dollar, starting at a price of $464.48. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.